We equally appreciate the support of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Speaker House of Rep, and all stakeholders, including the sponsor of the bill, Ahmed Idris Wasi, Right Honorable Member of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for their championing of the Commission. To the youth of North Central, this is our moment. Let us organize, engage, and contribute constructively. The time of waiting is over. The time of building has begun. Once again, we especially appreciate the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his statesmanship and strategic foresight. We pledge our unalloyed support and reaffirm our readiness to work with the stakeholders, all stakeholders, in ensuring that North Central Development Commission come to stay and all its appointees are sustained, because we know that government does not make mistakes. All the appointees of the commission are people of integrity, people that have served before and have been found very interesting and useful in all the areas they have said before. And it's on that basis that we say congratulations to them. The establishment of NCDC, modeled after similar commissions in the South, South, and Northeast, signals a renewed national consciousness and a desire to close the development gap across geopolitical lines. It is a bold expression of President Tinubu's Renew Hope agenda, which continues to inspire confidence in the youth and reinvigorate national unity. We especially commend the President for selecting a team of seasoned, competent, and patriotic Nigerians to lead this commission. This appointment gives us hope that the North Central Development Commission will not be another bureaucracy, but rather a dynamic engine for transformation.
We will be able to channel our grievances in the best way that it is supposed to be, without being disrespectful, ungrateful to Mr. President. And that is what is very important at this point, that the North Central Development Commission have come to stay, and the President have done a very laudable one. It should be clapped for, it should be appreciated, it should be applauded for this wonderful thing he has done for the North Central Commission. And then we have checked to some extent that by the grace of God, we will see to it, because as you can see, all the people calling for this press conference are people who have track record of activism in the North Central. We are all from the North Central. We know the plight of the people of the North Central, and we are going to work closely with the Commission to see to it that we compel, whenever it is necessary, as activists and comrades. We will make sure that the people who have been brought on board to be pioneers of this board do not make mistakes, and also always remind them. Don't be surprised if tomorrow you see us again asking them to do the needful or criticizing that something is left. It is common from us as people of integrity, as activists who have also been operating in the North Central, as people who knows the pains and the yearnings of the people in the North Central.